In a field on a fine summer's day, a grasshopper was hopping about, singing and dancing and enjoying himself. Nearby, a group of ants were hard at work. They had built their house underground, and they were filling it with food to last them through this long, cold winter ahead. So they were filling their house with lots of food during the summer, so they would have enough to eat throughout the entire winter.
"Why not come and play with me?" asked the grasshopper. "Why bother about winter? We have plenty of food now. Come, leave your work. Now's the time to dance and sing."
But the ants paid no attention to the grasshopper. They kept working hard all day and every day. Why do you think the ants are working so hard? But not the grasshopper. All summer long, while the ants worked, he jumped about the field and danced and sang. Sometimes he'd sit for hours and listen to the humming of the bees, or watch the butterflies flitting about, or take long lazy naps in the warm sun. And when he woke up, he would sing this song:
"The summer's time's the time for me, for then I'm happy as can be. I watch the butterflies and bees as they fly around as they please. Oh, summertime's the time for me, for I'm as happy as can be."
Yes, the grasshopper was a happy fellow, but he never thought about the future. He never thought about what would happen later in time. In the future, he only thought about what was happening right now in the present. One day the grasshopper woke up and felt a chill in the air. Then he saw the leaves turn red, gold, and brown and fall from the trees. Then the days kept getting cooler, and soon the grasshopper saw no butterflies or bees, and the fields where he liked to sing and dance turned bare and hard. Bare means not covered. The leaves fell off the trees and the grass in the fields died. What season of the year is it now? Soon the cold days of winter were upon him, and the grasshopper was freezing and hungry. He came to the ants' house and knocked on their door. Why do you think the grasshopper is knocking at the ants' door?
"What do you want?" asked the ants. "May I come in and share your food?" asked the grasshopper.
"What did you do all summer?" asked the ants. "Didn't you put away some food to use now? Didn't you save food during the summer?"
"No," said the shivering grasshopper.
The word shivering means he was shaking from the cold.
"I didn't think of that while I was singing and dancing in the sun."
"So," said the ants meanly, "you sang and danced all summer while we worked. Well, now you can sing and dance while we eat." Was this a nice thing for the ants to say to the grasshopper? Would you have helped the grasshopper if you were the ants? And as the grasshopper walked away hungry, he sang this song:
"Next time I'll work as well as dance. Then I'll be ready like the ants."
The end.